This has got 3-star danger.
Wait. Danger is maximum right now. Okay.
So which one is this? This is the jet fuel one?
Yes.
Rocket fuel.
Rocket fuel?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Come on.
Yeah, maybe we can use the end of the match to loosen it up some.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, and then let's put this back in. We can get a good measurement. Okay.
Just put it in.
Wait. I think we can get some more in there.
There.
So calcium nitrate and then the potassium hexacyanoferrate.
This one. It's this one.
Okay. So now you mix those together.
Yep. With the stick.
Okay.
Now look.
Oh, that makes loud smoke. Mushroom cloud.
How was it, Mark?
It was good.
But that is loud smoke.